I'm working on a little wooden toy, this character Skully. If you're seeing this video out of order, there's other videos before it, there's going to be videos after it. This is going to be the video that talks a little bit about the design process and how I figured out how to take a character that I've drawn a million times, turn it into something that is in physical space. First thing I did was I redrew the character as simply as I could, knowing that I basically had no idea how to cut wood or sand it, paint it, or anything like that. That goes back to, character design 101. Think about Mickey Mouse. If you had to make Mickey Mouse out of pancakes, you could do that very easily. So I got to work stripping the character down to the simplest of shapes. I ended up building my prototype in Blender, which is a 3D modeling software. And I was able to even play with some physics and see how he might balance and if he can stack upside down and all that sort of stuff. They'll be coming out in a couple weeks. Pre-order is going to go up for them. In the meantime, there's going to be more videos talking about, the cutting of the wood, figuring out how to use tools, all the things I had no idea about, all the struggles. Stay tuned and let me know what you think.